looking like teeth.
There's the mother. That's the one we planted at the beginning of the season. We're separating these into manageable chunks for market. We got these hands, we got fingers. We're setting aside the ones that we're going to use as the mothers for next year. Rinsing them off, showing them off. So this is one we used as a mother last year. You can tell it's just kind of old looking. And then we got some of these that are the crowns of the plants. And then if we have little bits left over, we can use anything. We can use these as mothers, but we're setting aside some of these. And whatever's left, maybe some of these.